As winter sets in, many of us ask the same question. Is it cheaper to leave the heating on all day? Or should we turn it off when not in use? The answer might surprise you. Let's take a closer look at the most efficient ways to heat your home, save energy, and lower those utility bills while staying cozy and warm. Contrary to popular belief, leaving your heating on all day isn't cost-effective for most households. Modern heating systems are designed to warm your home quickly and efficiently when needed, rather than running constantly. Think of it like your car. Idling your engine all day doesn't save fuel, it wastes it. The same principle applies to home heating. Instead of keeping your system running, focus on smart ways to control when and how long it operates. One of the most effective ways to do this is by investing in a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat allows you to set specific temperatures for different times of the day. You can program it to turn on before you wake up, lower the heat while you're away, and warm things up again before you return. The result? A consistently comfortable home without wasting energy during the hours when nobody is there to enjoy it. Many of these devices can even learn your daily habits and adjust automatically, saving you the hassle of constant manual adjustments. Some models can even be controlled remotely through your phone, giving you the ability to tweak your settings on the go. Another essential tip is to maintain a moderate indoor temperature. Energy experts generally recommend keeping your thermostat set around 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius during the winter when you're at home. If you lower it by just 5 to 10 degrees while you sleep or when you leave for work, you can save a significant percentage on your energy bills. However, it's important to avoid turning off the heat completely. When indoor temperatures drop too low, your system will need to work much harder and use more energy just to bring the house back up to a comfortable level. In some extreme cases, allowing your home to become too cold can also cause problems like frozen pipes, which can lead to costly repairs. To maximize your heating system's efficiency, you also need to prevent heat from escaping. Insulation plays a critical role in keeping warm air inside and cold air out. Homes with poor insulation are like trying to heat a room with the windows open. You're fighting a losing battle. Start by checking for drafts around windows, doors, and any other openings, such as vents or chimneys. Simple fixes like weather stripping, draft excluders, and caulking can make a huge difference. Don't forget about your attic or basement, where significant heat loss can occur. Adding or upgrading insulation in these areas can reduce overall energy use and keep your home warmer for longer. Even small adjustments like using thermal curtains or heavy drapes can help retain heat. During the day, open your curtains to let natural sunlight warm your rooms. This passive heat is free and effective, especially in rooms with large windows that face the sun. At night, closing the curtains provides an extra layer of insulation to keep warmth inside. Another often overlooked factor is the maintenance of your heating system. Regularly servicing your furnace or boiler is key to ensuring it runs at peak efficiency. Filters should be cleaned or replaced as recommended by the manufacturer, typically every 1 to 3 months during the winter. Clogged filters force your system to work harder, which uses more energy and increases the risk of breakdowns. A well-maintained system not only saves money on energy costs, but also extends the lifespan of your heating equipment, saving you from costly replacements down the line. Beyond system maintenance, consider whether your heating system is the right size for your home. An oversized system may heat the space too quickly and cycle on and off frequently, which wastes energy. On the other hand, a system that's too small will struggle to heat your home effectively, running constantly and racking up higher bills. If you're unsure, an HVAC professional can help assess your system's efficiency and recommend any necessary upgrades. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of natural heat sources. Beyond opening curtains for sunlight, you can also use simple lifestyle changes to stay warm. Wear cozy layers, use blankets during the evening, and block unused rooms to concentrate heat in the spaces you use the most. By following these tips, you can keep your home cozy all winter long without breaking the bank. Remember, efficient heating isn't about leaving your system on all day. It's about using it smartly, maintaining your home, and making small adjustments that add up over time. With the right strategy, you can save money, stay warm, and enjoy a comfortable home no matter how cold it gets outside. Stay warm, stay efficient, and enjoy the season.